Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the app has permission to access your photos and storage so nothing blocks your workflow. Once done, tap the Import or Plus button and pick one photo to focus on. Batch edits add complexity. Make sure autosave is on or select an export folder to avoid losing edits. You do this now to keep files organized and prevent interruptions. This initial organization saves time later when you move into adjustments and effects. You next crop and straighten to set composition because subsequent edits depend on that frame. Then, adjust exposure, contrast, highlights and shadows in small steps so you preserve detail. Nudge sliders by 5–10% and review. Use selective tools or masks to fix skies, skin, or backgrounds without affecting the whole image. Once comfortable, apply noise reduction and sharpening sparingly. These methodical choices keep edits natural and reversible if you need to fine-tune later. You finish by applying filters or presets lightly. Dial their strength to preserve texture and skin tones. Next, export with correct format, quality %, and resolution based on use. Web vs Print and name the file clearly. Make a quick before/after check and save a copy. If the app crashes or export fails, clear the app cache, lower the export resolution, and restart the app. If problems persist, reinstall. These final steps ensure a reliable, repeatable result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.